as you can see, we are here in my wallet. Okay, first step is we're gonna find our transaction under the 0.07 BTC. Okay, then we're gonna confirm the transaction in the wallet. Okay, it must be under the 0.07 BTC. Let's see. Yeah, this is the transaction which is under the 0.07 BTC. It's 0.02277457. Okay, we're gonna confirm this transaction in the wallet. So right click, go to inspect, wait for a few seconds here. Click to console. There's warning, you must need to read that. Okay, this browser features entered for developers. If someone told you copy something here, it is a scam and it will give them access to your money. So make sure you make a new blockchain wallet, or if you are using old wallet, you must have zero balance in the wallet. Okay, so must need to read this. Okay, this is my own code, so I don't need to worry about this. Okay, I'll read that, clear everything from here, and then paste your script. Right click, select, or right click once again, copy your script and paste it here. Paste, press the enter button. As you can see, box pops up open here, and here's our transaction. We just need a hash ID. Copy and paste it here. Click OK. Do you want to send transaction? Yeah, I want to send this transaction. Click OK. Once again, click OK and close everything from here. Just refresh balances to see the magic. As you can see, our payment received successfully in the wallet. Okay, let me show you time. Today's time, it's Monday 5th June 2026. Okay, 15th June 2026. I'm scrolling up and down because of the watermark that's showing on the screen. Okay, and this is the transaction. It will take maximum 1 hour to complete. So let's see. Usually it's take 45 minutes to 40 minutes. Sometimes it's take proper 1 hour, but sometimes it will confirm before the hour. Okay, so yeah, and this is the channel. Okay, I own only this channel. Other all channels are fake. People took my videos, edit them, and upload their channel to scam innocent people. So beware, make sure you are on this channel which has 10k subs and 100+ videos. Okay, so take care of yourself. Goodbye, see you in the next